Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making pasta without pasta. 5 minutes recipe. Potato 200 grams. Peel the skin. Cut into small cubes. It boil quickly. Water for boiling. Boil the potatoes on medium heat. Boiled potatoes. With the help of strainer, smash the potatoes like this. Mashed potato is ready. Cornstarch 1 cup. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Without adding any water, make dough like this. Dough is ready. Take small balls. Roll the balls. Press gently. With the help of water bottle, make shapes like this. Pastas is ready. Water for boiling. Boil on medium heat for 5 minutes. Pasta is boiled. Transfer to a plate. Garlic 1 tablespoon. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Sesame seeds 1 tablespoon. Soya sauce half tablespoon. Spring onions. Hot sesame oil 3 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Now transfer boiled pastas. Give a nice mix. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.